Obutuko bwe sabato ya rituko lya gatano na limo ase omotinyo gatano na limo. Karibu sana na kwariganirie ase kionga chinsa ibiri chabono morgoba chabutokire chitaika ibiri igoro ye chinsa ibiri. Karibu sana ase nchira yabene unanonye iki yaberike gutwara mange yaberike gutwara emebasokano bunabone ye merero wateka ase chiskuru na kobwa mono aborokiwa korokia chingendo chitali chingia ase chiskuru. Karibu sana tunyare ko yasanga ayo tukwariganiriti ase kionga chinsa ibiri chabono marugoba nchenkoro Matilda ubaigwa turabwatirane nere nyaboke ven kurwa ase nsemo yebi manyarisanga na intwe ase omutandao Facebook na boigo audio YouTube eyamase mubuna Getembe TV. Karibu sana umoncho murigirira nane kirongo chaka na roboti kurwase omukonyi bumuraia sekiama ya Jubilee umoske Dr. Fred Matiang'i uyo ogenderete netaro yaye rituko itaro yaye ya matukane ase county ya Meru. Dr. Fred Matiang'i niganyara gusanga na bobwatani bekanisa ya Meru Central SDA rituko oria lero na chinga kiecho nanyara gukwanira mebasokano yemerero na bwigo chibura buru chigendete kwanikiwa ase chiskuru ime yensi ya Kenya asate bire serikali enyare gwitaba ebirengererio byabobwatani na bwigo no nyina barai kurwa sensemo yoko yamereria unenchire yamo yogokonya chiskuru na bwigo gutoria aboroki wati babasako William
Ruto is our president under the law, and we have not suspended the constitution. So I hope our president will see it as a genuine and sincere need for us to have an all-parties conversation on the education sector in the country. Because it's a crisis, and it is going to blow up sooner than we think. Because when you see the number of kids we are losing in school, 21 burning to ashes, 16 dead, and as my brother says, principals are not able to run schools, they have no money, and the cost is going through the roof, 110,000. We look at those fee schedules, I look at them, I have relatives, we are educating people. I don't think there's anybody here who's not educating a child, even if they are not yours biologically. We're educating a lot of people, relatives and so on. I ask myself, who's going to pay a national school fee of 115,000? The reason why we were putting money in education when we were in the government is so that we make education available and affordable to everybody. Because it's the equalizer to all of us. Sisi tunataka watoto waende shule, waendelee kusoma. And we must manage the sector responsibly. There are some solutions that I think, instead of looking like we are criticizing the government all the time, there are some solutions that are within reach. I would advise, this is unsolicited, I don't have to advise the president, but if I was there myself, I would appoint a PS in charge of transition and the new curriculum. That's what we advised Uhuru. Uhuru had a PS in charge of curriculum and transition to focus on how we're implementing the CBC. I would cut down the wastage of government by over 50% and pour all that money in education and health so that you stabilize the social sectors. I would pull in people for conversations. The Seventh-day Adventist Church has invested in education. Look, many of our churches, the Catholic Church, we used to have endless conversations with the Conference of Catholic Bishops and our pastors because they have a stake, they have an interest. Dr. Mtero here, who leads the education sector and one of our leaders in the church, you can't assume they don't know what is supposed to be done. We listen to them, we sit down with them and work with them. And then slowly we work with the professionals. I would ask the president to get a caucus of these people, plus the role players like the Secondary School Setters Association and so on, and have a honest, all-parties conversation on the crisis in the education sector. Otherwise, we are going to lose all our children, we are going to lose a generation, and it's not good for the country. So, I will plead with my colleagues, even those ones in the opposition, safari tuweke sasa shida zetu kidogo kando na tofauti zetu kwa hii issue moja tu ya elimu ya watoto wetu. Tukae chini tuone vile tunaweza kuzungumza, and I hope the government will also be reasonable and stop being arrogant and face the challenges they face. And the president can get competent people, they are there in the country. Even within his own group, he has competent people. Let him look inside. He doesn't even have to go outside his group. He can get more competent people. within his own group to assist him to move this forward. Finally,
Wancho murigirira senganeyo nere gutwira aseribori rierituko ria rero ninki gekogera chiburaburu cha ebeire chikomentekana ase chiskuru me yense ya Kenya chiburaburu cha mentekanire asa matuka bwangoiga aborokiwa bagokogenda maminja yelichiko kose baligetio gosaria enibo aso gusamba chiskuru gose gusamba chinsemo me yechiskuru ninki kiagerire chiburaburu chanyare komentekana kirengereri kyawe kenyencho gochega ase studio gwetira ase namba yetu ye studio 0726447367 enambera ase kerore GTV yao ngigekogera chiburaburu chiamentekanire ase chiskuru ase amatuka eiga na goska obosio nigobono ere omugoko omonene otali nekirengo ase abanyakenyoro bashirikisho yogotoka ime ya Kitutu Central Ward yogotoka ime ya Kitutu Chache South ime county ya Kisii magiga yomwamato yomo kwagachirwa enyumba uyobeire kagutwara obukongu obonene korengana na kirori nigobono omusacho uyo anyarete gusambirwa enyumba n'abantu batamanyiri emyaka ebire yanyare kwera engana bono yamwirira ere kurigia engana yamwirira ere kurigia obukonyi kurase abarai hanamuno bona sanyare konyora ugusiro kurase umwana siasa oyomo buna umurikito dipo na sanya agotumanya
atumia nakubakire nakoira bone nasenye chiri tukeria rero
namasabo yokwegena ayu abaumerania abamenyi bekinyorogia shirikisho egotoke ward ya Kitutu Central na wakambuja mono ase amate ya Joshua Nyamweya Nyangweso yabage kwagachirwa enyumba n'omusamaria Benton Onyangi Mumanyi
no pastor no lina nagokire sana sengencho yegasiengia umweshimiwa Benton Mumanyi atokoreira sekenyoreke kurutwa gachagete kumumanya twarorira makoro abwate chingenjo chingia
nabo murambwate babere omokena rororo uyu nero mone gachaka menya chirandi sengenje saiga namwagachirete konyore ya sambetu yagotire
anakora mugambio kwagacha nyumba ga lakini twarorira umugambi wagachire nyumba bakendo che nyumba yabekirwa mabati nagokire chegina
gukwanekerekyo gusangana Joshua nigarera bunabere gakomenya atabwatio bamenyo
etanguru ku Joshua Nyamweya Nyangweso Alliance DJ abantu bamanya inche alengo 2023 nawe yanyolekanete abantu bagacha bone bakanyara gonsambire nyumba namenyete bakasamba n'ebintu byarenge nyumba imi bakasamba n'epikipiki nabwate bono kururi tukelyo nkachale nenga inyora lende ntigarete busa kururi tukele nanya gutwara nyumba nkora mbaka bondiga nkombwete nyumba irandi menyete
abanyakenyero nigo barokyo mogokobo anene asokumwakera mbiya mono musamaria egento baina kianga niga konyire amateyo kubwatekana nigo babwato bulemeru banene
bekeiro mwana oyo konya omenyire chinsana ime achire kurusi chinsana ime okorira mangana manene igotokotie mweshimiwa yasati gagosesenie naenda ko echinguru naenda kurabeli mutu asomotia
nko birode se TV rero na narorire se TV no ngo biroranga nande tinkwakikisa ngaki ndobo maenda bono rero nari narorire
Ntu atarije tugose DJ nagache nyumba lakini saa hiyo agachira se nyumba secretary ayo
sense mujende ligo bamubera kirori omusamaria Benton Mumanyi oywe obeire gakubwato kobokonyi gucyase cyamate chinyenge anena soko basira nabegokora ebiri birengete gosira umwana incho kawaida
atororera mabere kere taracha yagwete rochari abantu twari gosinyo kogenda roche agatoroserie taracha na ndororira mabere wagachira umwana oyoiga DJ yenyomba umwana oyo garo mocho korone dimbanyeti nyasaye obwanchani yakobekerete ime yawo
morocho bugima bone kamuna bole libati nirengalire kuwenda kugura ebinto n'ekibesa kinyinge yani ekenege ntono nyari gocha kubanga atanyari konyora
kobugerie chinko bikurumagega oto amisini tori gokoreki aye gokorore mechanda sere kwaramboro koboko kwao
ase ekirenga kiaye anene koligia ekerokyo bwe musie bwe ward ya Kitutu Central ningo bamwenekeria guchikomosira kubwatekana niga bwate nkoro y'abantu
agasa neigo na 2027 nimo bwate sibona inche DJ Alliance Joshua Nyamweya DJ ingase ne kumubwatisie gasi yayo kobege ntankoleire na maite nindo serikwe nyomba buneye
kuraiga sekenyoro gia shirikisho wadi ya Kitutu Central bunge ya Kitutu Chache South ili nengorokwa Dipon Asanya
Wancho muligirire ikera watigaire amatuko amake elio aba MCA kurase county ya Nyamira banyare ko yeta e budget yo mwaka bw'ekibesa kiri bubere 25 wika kiri bubere 25 ase budget yo eisaine gusebwate amarago wetani ya bilioni kyanda niko bono okuburia kwa bekire gucha saba MCA abo banyare ko yeitona nabo igo gukora amonchoreria aria aganeire kurengana na umurikito Fatigad Gisemba niko bono igatia barai se kaunti yo ya Nyamira kubwa muno abana siasa bakora wano mu wakili Philemon Amorara Apiemi banyare wesokia na kubura buna aba MCA babeke amalio gyabo asomo stari bosyo na boigo omo oyore omo senator we kaunti yo nere anyare usange birengere bya ekonike buna abanyamira banyore budget era bakonye
Chingaki aba MCA ba Nyamira bari chimbiro gukwanira igoro ye budget ye county yo mwaka w'ekirububere na 25 kirububere na 25 ase amarago ari shilingi bilioni kyanda ne chinukuta isano na isato nigo umuwakiri Philemon Amorara Apiemi oyoboigo ukorigia obosenete wa Nyamira amoborie omoseneta oregeti omusike okong mogeni oisaranza na ba MCA erio kubwatuka obosemia bwaye igoro ye budget yo ego cha koroisiwa eyo ebwenerete gukonya umunyamira
senator na bwente ko part of ye budget aso go guidance ekare budget ye ndete ko debate because ya ba MCA ne senator egasine ye muba okora tatiga bale rowa kada ne role ya kada igo senator ne bwente ko part of this budget kolanga ya debate guguya urure input yaye through the MCAs agare budget yebe ediera konye county so I think egero buna kiria igokera aria egero ocha o interactive ya na HMCA egero chigo kora board and responsibilities une yego wetie budget yo debate ne no wetie budget yorende tinda igunga nare involved lakini ekimaete debate ye budget na genderete maybe naja korekeria bwena takoreta right
ase engane yeiga ye budget ya Nyamira nigo boigo ensemo yaye umwana siasa dagira sorutwa ukorigia obo MCA bwabo gichora aboririe aba MCA bakore amaonchorerio ase kinsemo gete che budget yo erio umunyamira akonyeke
2 weeks from now ngwendere gosomwa ya county assemblies ntwa chambwe the budget tukarra anomalies kiroro kinyinge sana una babegete 60 million gokunya ebohol you know it takes 5 million but you say geroko nyore budget they worth 60 million kwanyora ba MCA baganda baragoro na septic tanks na 70 million igon tutora kagere kibese kiri badade ko jete bajiko ko rigeri chikura tigaba kore budget ero subuya una mbali kuchikonye ko lekabisha gegera na bawo chikonye approve na udojo bateya abantu babeka matopara erinde budget ero siwe okonyo mwananchi tali bago asoko soket kibese
okwana koranya bite imeye wodi ya township Chingaki baria babweniwe omuchando wa maiso wetera okubarwa asa maiso nigo ensemo yabo bakwanire ajaiga
twanyorero okonyo Philomeno Apiemi atokonyire na onkeo risoza bari bamanyete ni risoza mono mumanyete na batokonyire in fact batire paka nyagetari re gitare tukanyora ubweni o igoro
umuchando na bwato eri asesa burigani gona simbesti bwa maisane konyamia miripi bokonyi mbwarenge ande lakini aba minto batokonyi nande togotebanga oburayo buya bagenderere nande nyasaba konye
na tuwa ikirega igakirwo monta mobekire kura kwa sababu otokonyiro torusirichi ase tuwa tutarenge kwenyara bono kwenyara goito yakokorkorwa asore igote njengo tebanya sato seseni tuensi litukerie kero nyasara to ikia se chikura nyasato seseni to babekere kwerende kwenere chikadi cheito eriegere na baro banyorere miremo yabo
Kingo reporter Getembe koroiga nyabite yegotoke ward ya township West Mugirange county ya Nyamira inche Fatigad Gisemba
Otigara nayo ensemo y'abamenyi ba Nyaribari Church me county ya Kisii nigo bono besokire na kumwa okoboko mwanasiasa Geoffrey Monari na nigo banyare kumuburia gwesokia koba egati ya baria barachie kurwanira ikirogo kyo bobunge ase ebunge yo ya Nyaribari Church. Okona na bariki ba mangana maya asomo bagani oyomo ime ya Keumbu maragoba yelitukuria rero nigo bono batebire Monari na nigo are omurai bomukia goseni gabirika okora emirimo ime ikyo kirire barabu twara ogosemeria asare.
Omwesimi wa Geoffrey ekero twamurigereirie nandi twamororire muno yo bwate focus na bwate vision emechando twabere tugwetera muna Abanyaribari Church twamororire nganabe a solution igobuna bakimutwe amo n'Abanyaribari Church bonse tukobaboria tukwana eriogi erimo eriogi lyogochenjia Nyaribari Church yaito eiranese yarenge
igando chengo mwesimiwa na chikotokonya esense moye chinyagitari tudate ko mwachikura egere ebinte bya chikotororera atokonye nonya na abana gabaleka basomete lakini batabwati kazi bona baka nole stogotara rero atogosunyuka